A spectacular view of the rich cultural mosaic of the Northeast has been showcased by thousands of youth from different colleges of the 8 states of the region at a playground of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya (USTM) on the first day of the 7th Northeast Graduate Congress 2023. Addressing the gathering, Mahbubul Haq, Chancellor of USTM, said that they have been organizing Negc to benefit the region's youth by helping them set their vision so that they can shoulder responsibilities and contribute to nation building. The inaugural ceremony of Negc 2023 was witnessed by a galaxy of prominent personalities ranging from youth icons, academia, politicians, cultural and sports icons and motivational speakers.
Here we are having the congregation of students from different parts of northeastern India who is showcasing their hidden talent. USTM every year with the vision of our Honorable Chancellor Mahbubul Haq, we are doing this and we are showcasing the whole Northeast cultural events including the sports, everything by the young talents who will merge to the society as a citizen, and that's why we think that this is our moral duty as an educational institution to give avenues to our hidden talent.
In IPL